Are you a beginner who is thinking about starting his or her English language learning journey, or if you are someone who has just recently started his or her English language learning journey? No matter where are you from, whether you are from a village or from a city, metropolitan city, this video will definitely help you, because in this video I'm just going to share something which is really very significant for all the learners out there who all are dreaming about getting fluency in English language. So I don't want to waste anyone's time. So without any further ado, let's get deep dive into the video. So hello everyone, welcome back once again on my YouTube channel, and I should welcome you all on my YouTube channel English with the Hati ma'am. And friends, as all of us, we know that in order to start speaking English, we should first master tenses. Tenses are really very crucial or significant part of speaking English, because each and every sentence we speak, these are only in three states: present, past, or future. So it means we have to learn 12 tenses. No, that's not the truth. We don't need to learn all the 12 tenses. When it comes to start speaking English, we just need to master only 5 tenses. Yes, friends. How many fingers are there in your hand? 5. So it means you have to master only 5 tenses. 5 tenses, just master it, just work on these 5 tenses, and you will become an intermediate level speaker. So without any wasting of your time, without any further ado, I'm just going to tell you what all tenses which are going to help you to start your speaking journey. First one, which is really very common and most of us we use in our life many times, in a day many times, and that is present indefinite tense. Yes friend, this is just only present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense plays an crucial role. Present indefinite tense present indefinite tense plays a crucial role while speaking our things, like while our daily habits or routine or something which happens on daily basis, we use present simple tense. So you are supposed to learn this first and all, then we have to go further. Second one is past indefinite tense. In our life, most of the time we talk about present and past. So after present simple tense, then we have to move towards past simple tense. We need to master past simple tense. Past simple tense is used for talking about our past habits and something we did, something, any work which was completely completed in the past. So past indefinite, present indefinite, these are the most common used tenses in spoken English. After that, we will move towards the future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense plays really very crucial role, because sometimes when you have to talk about your future plans or your future goals, or what are you going to do in future, then we use future simple tense, like I'll go to the market, I'll watch this movie, I'll practice for 1 hour tomorrow. So we use future as well. And after that, then we have to focus on present perfect tense. Yes friends, this is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, we also use it several times while speaking English, and this is something which is the action was completely done in the past, but its effect is still on the present. जो काम पास्ट में हुआ है बट उसका इफेक्ट अभी भी प्रेजेंट में है. एंड सेकंड थिंग, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, देन वी आल्सो यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. लाइक हैव you had your lunch, or have you watched this movie, in that case. Or last one which you should learn, that is very simple. You know which one is? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, most of the time when a learner or beginner starts speaking English, so first of all, we always ask that person, or a person is always supposed to use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a kind of a tense like a work is in process. Okay, a person is busy doing something or a work is being done. In that case we use like. Right now I'm making a video. Right now I'm sitting uh, on a bucket. Right now I am looking at the tree. In that case, so present continuous tense, it is also very important. Present, so all in all, with all tenses I have mentioned here, first one is present simple, present indefinite tense, then past indefinite, past simple, future indefinite, future simple, and after that present perfect tense, and last but not the least, present continuous tense. If you are somebody who has mastered all these tenses, then you can use it. You can use it while speaking and you can become a good communicator. You can start speaking from today onwards if you know all the rules, all the structures of these five tenses. And it's not tough at all. It's totally up to you how much efforts you put. It's not only about learning grammar, it's also about using the rules while speaking. Because most of the time when somebody says, okay, you have to learn these five tenses, then we just stick to the notes and we just write down the rules and the sentence structures. After that, we don't want to do anything. And it's not going to help you until you use every sentence structure or every rule with your own life, until you use them in particular situation, or until you create your own situations where you use them, where you are using them, or you have to all in all, you have, it is totally up to you. The ball is in your court, how much efforts you put every single day to use these sentences. So in this way you can become a fluent English speaker. And fluency doesn't come in a one day, it takes over time. It comes over time, it takes time. But at least if you would focus only on these five tenses, then you can start speaking English within I would say within 15 days. You can start expressing everything, because most of the time we just use only these basic five tenses, which are 99% of your spoken English. And I'm not saying that you don't have to go for the past continuous tense and other tenses, but mostly we use, mostly especially in communication, it's English language, the tenses which are used, these are the five common tenses which are used. So now you are supposed to work on these tenses. If you will master these, then you are going to nail it. You are going to nail it, and you can consider yourself, yeah, I am a good communicator. I can express my lifestyle, I can express my day routine, I can narrate everything using these only five tenses. And I hope you must have got my idea. We will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye. Or before ending this video, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all of you.